The Bajaj CT 2025 redefines affordability and performance, maintaining its reputation as a reliable commuter bike while embracing modern technology. Crafted to cater to both urban and rural riders, the CT 2025 combines fuel efficiency with durability, making it an ideal companion for daily commutes and long rides alike. Its refreshed design features a sleeker body, sharp graphics, and aerodynamic contours, ensuring it appeals to the younger demographic while retaining its utility for seasoned riders. Under the hood, the CT 2025 boasts an upgraded single-cylinder, air-cooled engine optimized for power and mileage. Delivering impressive torque at low RPMs, it ensures smooth rides even on uneven terrains. With a refined combustion system, the bike offers a mileage that remains unmatched in its category, aligning perfectly with Bajaj's commitment to economical mobility. The introduction of a digital ignition system enhances engine performance, while the advanced gearbox ensures seamless gear transitions, contributing to a hassle-free riding experience. Safety and comfort are at the core of the CT 2025. It comes equipped with anti-skid braking technology, ensuring stability during sudden stops. The telescopic front suspension and spring-in-spring rear suspension system effectively absorb shocks, providing riders with a comfortable journey regardless of road conditions. The ergonomic seat design and upright handlebar positioning enhance rider comfort, making long-distance rides less tiring. Modern features elevate the CT 2025's appeal further. A semi-digital instrument cluster offers essential data at a glance, including real-time mileage indicators and maintenance alerts. The addition of LED headlights and taillights ensures superior visibility during night rides, enhancing safety. Bajaj has also incorporated a USB charging port, addressing the connectivity needs of modern-day riders. Built with a rugged frame, the CT 2025 is designed to withstand demanding conditions, catering to users who prioritize durability. Despite these enhancements, Bajaj has ensured that the CT 2025 remains accessible, offering exceptional value for its price. The bike's low maintenance costs and availability of spare parts make it an economical choice, particularly for budget-conscious customers. Environmentally conscious riders will appreciate the CT 2025's compliance with the latest emission norms, reflecting Bajaj's dedication to sustainable practices. With a range of vibrant color options, it allows buyers to choose a variant that suits their style. The CT 2025 not only retains the legacy of its predecessors but also embraces innovation, setting new benchmarks in the commuter bike segment. It promises a balanced blend of style, performance, and practicality, solidifying its position as a game-changer in the two-wheeler market.